they're looking for, mostly, believe it or not, a lot of video games, more and more things to do outside, footballs, baseball, and scooters, which I think is good. $5, of course.